Let me ask you a question. If someone searches your business on Google right now, would you be proud of what they see? Hi, I'm Steve, owner of SMB Booster. And right now, we're building professional, high converting websites for small businesses completely free. No big upfront fees, no thousands of pounds just to get online. Here's the truth: 72% of people judge a business's credibility based purely on its website. If your site is outdated, slow, hard to use on mobile, or you don't have one at all, you're losing customers every single day. And I've been doing this for years. I've seen businesses double their inquiries just by upgrading their website properly. At SMB Booster, we don't just build websites that look good. We build websites designed to convert, fully mobile responsive, Google optimized, built to generate real inquiries. We include professional content, strong calls to action, contact forms, chatbots, and built-in marketing tools that make it effortless for customers to reach you. We use proven Google strategies to help you show up in search results and on Google Maps 24/7. Need to update prices? Add a new service? No problem. We handle updates for you. Your website isn't just a brochure, it becomes a lead generating machine working around the clock. But here's the extra bonus we give you completely free. You don't just get a website, the hosting, the updates, and the support. You also get access to your own business hub, a place where we give you all the tools to manage and grow your business. You can organize your customer contacts, schedule social media posts, create online booking calendars, build contact forms, send invoices, generate QR codes for reviews and promotions, and so much more. If you want to build more websites or landing pages in the future, you also get access to hundreds of amazing templates ready to go. And you don't need to worry if you've never used a system like this before, because we guide you every step of the way with access to our training academy, packed with easy to follow video tutorials showing you exactly how to use the tools available. We are adding new videos all the time, so you'll always have help when you need it. Most agencies charge thousands up front. We don't. We charge a simple, affordable monthly fee that covers hosting, maintenance, security, and updates. No contracts, cancel anytime, and we can have your site live in just a few days. Why are we doing this, you may ask? Because we love helping small businesses grow. And when you see the results, many of our clients choose to use us for other services like lead generation, Google optimization, Facebook ads, and video marketing later on. It's a win-win. So if you'd like a professional website built for free, click the link below, message us, or give us a call today. We'll handle everything while you concentrate on running your business. SMB Booster, building websites that actually grow your business.